Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's all about the lamps, okay? I know you see that cute little donut lamp right there, but you guys, the lamps in HomeGoods, okay, honestly, they were giving like something you get or see at your grandma's house but elevated, okay? And the one that really made me think that is this one that's coming up, this green lamp with this floral lampshade. This one right here, you guys, something about it gave like, okay, if you grew up going to your grandmother's house in my time, like in the late 80s, early 90s, which I mean late 80s, I definitely would have been very little and not paying attention to the lamps. But anyway, that's besides the point, okay? They are like an elevated look because there were lots of flowers, greens, and all of that stuff around that time, but it's like they've updated it. Okay, so I'm not really mad at these floral prints that are on a lot of these lamps, and then just some of the colors itself. Like, look at that blue, but then look how elevated it is at the bottom. Okay, because it's got that little glass base, but the lamp shade is still giving that floral kind of print that a lot of people used to have on everything. I mean, if you know, okay? The sofas used to have flowers on it, the pillows, the lamps, like everything. It was a lot of floral going on. Now, don't get me wrong, they do have a lot of other lamps right now in HomeGoods that are more modern, more up to date, but like I said, look at this. It's not bad, okay? Like, I feel like you can style these. If you style them the right way, then it's not bad, okay? I'm not saying put this lamp or these lamps with these floral bottoms or bases on them just next to a whole bunch of other floral prints. It's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, like, let them be the moment. Let them speak for themselves. Let them stand out, okay? But if you're not looking for a elevated grandma's house or a floral chic, you guys, they have a lot of other lamps and stuff right now that were really nice, really cool, and I really like the look of them. They have some, more modern, more neutral aesthetics, but just so many different lamps and stuff to choose from. I'm like, how have I not been paying attention to how many options they have? And you guys, this video is only showing you like what, 2 rows of the options. I said, let me just put this out here. Let me see if this is something that my audience is shopping for right now. And if you guys are and you want to see more, just let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely do a whole nother video on the lamps and stuff, because they had so many to choose from. Like, they were so nice, so many different options, lots of different price ranges. Now, as you can see, that one right there, that's really cute, $39.99, but they did have some lamps in here that were like $129.99. So it's just like a wide variety of options and price ranges, but stuff that's worth checking out, okay? So that's why I like to make these videos, so that you guys can be able to sit at home in the comfort of your home or wherever you are and see what's in store, to know whether you need to even make the drive and go to the store to look at the stuff in person, okay? Yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe again, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.